Pandora hunting with Debbie and Scuba Dude, and I have an unboxing of things we did for our fall drive, and I have something in the mail that I might as well open in front of you guys since this just came, and I missed out on getting this item. When I seen it come up, I think it was like, I don't know, like $11. I thought, I can't not grab this. And as you can see, it is, or should be, yes, the 20th anniversary box. I didn't collect the anniversary charms, so I didn't get this box, but I do have all the originals, and I really want to put them in here, and maybe one day I'll find all the original charms. But in the meantime, I think this would be fun just to be able to set up my bracelet, and there's a spot to do it. So that's the one piece that I found. Put that over here. The other stuff is basically when we went on our Pandora hunt. If you see in the video, you couldn't see too much in the video because it was really crowded. And I was really out of breath, and I really had to get out of there. But they had reflection clips, and oh my gosh, I thought I have to get these. I just have to. I have 3 reflection bracelets, 2 silvers and a rose gold, but I only have 1 clip. I really, really love this daisy clip, and I wasn't able to get it. So I'm really, really happy to get that. And I ended up getting that for $20. So how could anyone say no to that? The next one I seen there was $15, and it was the Pandora crown one clip for reflections. So I had to get that one also. And I believe there's one more in here. There was also, for $20, the gorgeous leaf charm. I completely loved getting this. On top of that, I got, I had enough points saved up to get 30% off of that again. So I was super happy. There was one more item there, and I believe the tag's fallen off, but I believe this one was $12. And for $12, yes, we had to pick up this guy. He is just so beautiful. I never realized how gorgeous this kitty was. It's like amazing. Totally thrilled with this. Sorry. And we grabbed that. So I want to see what, I've been dying to put these on my reflections bracelets. Yes, I have the multi-strand too. So I'm gonna try and do these. I ended up finding some nail polish that was supposed to be scent-free, which it was, and I put it on. And I thought, okay, I'm going to be fine with this. It wasn't bothering me going on. It didn't smell in the bottle. it's a really pretty color. It said no off gases, and when it dried, I'm having a reaction to it now, so I shouldn't have done it. But I thought, since I did it, I need to make some videos to make the best of it, because normally I can't wear nail polish. It just shuts down my lungs. So I'll enjoy it before I take it off, and that's a whole new experience too, because I can't use nail polish remover. So any suggestions on how to get nail polish off without using nail polish remover? I think I'm in trouble. And then I fell asleep last night. I put socks on my hand because I haven't dug out my gloves yet. And I figured, okay, I'm going to be okay if I just keep it away from my face. So I've got wool socks on my hands. Yeah, I felt like an idiot. But of course, I woke up and no socks on my hands. And it's bothering me. So I long for pretty nails. They just don't seem to be in my court. Alright, this is gorgeous. Love, love, love this. I am going to wear this so much, and the camera's not picking up the pretty yellow in this. So, oh, these price tags just take the focus of the camera away, so let me get rid of them. There we go. That's pretty. Gorgeous. Love that. So I'm going to put this on here now. And my rose bracelet, when I got it, I bought it pre-loved. And it did have this one charm on it. So this is basically the only reflection charm I have. So let's add, let's see, that to this one. Somehow I think it needs another one. So maybe we'll just add this leaf on here too. Nighttime dances, color pills. Morning sex under the tree. Gorgeous. Really, really pretty. I don't wear this very much, or my silver one, because I found for me it bent really, really easy. So for good, I'll be wearing this. Every day I won't be wearing this, but I love the charms. Stunning. They were definitely a find. And this little cheetah guy, I have some ideas of what I'm going to do for him, because I found a couple other little ones that might just go with him that I haven't shown you yet. So, anyways, thank you for coming Pandora hunting with me for now, and I hope you have an awesome weekend. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you back really soon. Thank you. Take care. Bye, guys. Day in my truck.
Yes, in the winter.
True. The Mustang is more fun. Scuba definitely likes the Mustang more too. Ooh, this is the fun part. to make a lot of noise here, aren't we? This tunnel is amazing. All right. That was almost squirrely. That was like 3 seconds of power and I felt the G-force. That guy on the bike was going real fast, wasn't he?
He was going faster than us.
No, he wasn't going faster than us.
His beard was.
Yeah. That was pretty impressive. Well, that was fun. Any boats? I don't know if I can see.
Couple.
Yeah.
Bunch of sailboats.
Very hard to see from here.
You can see over here.
Yeah. Ew. I'm probably making people real dizzy though, because I can see the cars flying by fast. Oh. That probably looked like those cars were going to hit us, but they're not. We're back. That was a pretty good drive to Cambridge. There's great deals there. Castle. There's usually weddings there. And they're probably there right now because there's lots of coaches. Oh yeah. Tons of photo shoots. Alright, thanks for coming Pandora hunting with Debbie and Scuba and Dan driving.
Have a good day.
We'll see you soon.